momentum. Marjaiyat, my dear brothers and sisters, is evolving into multiplicity, requiring us to prepare ourselves for imminent changes. There is a conflict between traditionalists and progressives within the membership, causing disunity. Elders, women, and youth alike are disenchanted due to lack of direction in this area. When, how, and who will address this challenge? No one seems to be paying attention to this most important issue, and many like me are worried and concerned. We are responsible for what we are. We are responsible for what we want to be. We have the power to make our future. If what we are now has been the result of our own past actions, it certainly follows that whatever we wish to be in future can be realized by our present actions. We have to know how to act, and we have to act now. I commend the present leadership for establishing the Muballighin training program, which I believe in time will address modern challenges. However, I also believe this is not enough and we need to do more. The community needs to brace itself for the imminent change, and more importantly, devise, formulate, and develop a sustainable program to keep us united and to preserve the ethos of a religious community. In my manifesto, I have pledged to form a council of ulama, scholars, and social leaders from within the community who are involved with the grassroots and understand the issues. For I believe the isolation of scholars from leadership is detrimental to the spiritual health and growth of the community, and it is this group of people who will be able to play this crucial role more than anyone. Our medium of effective communication has always been the minbar. The pulpit plays a very important role to uphold and preserve our ideologies and Islamic values. I intend to work in partnership to facilitate and provide modern tools for the revival of our spiritual life. In my manifesto, I have proposed to encourage, arrange, and support Ulama Zakirin Conference to discuss contemporary challenges. World Federation as a strategic body can only function effectively and deliver by working closely and in partnership with the regional federations. For the regional federation play a crucial role in the strength of the World Federation. It is through this invaluable input from the regions that allow the swift growth in all areas. In my manifesto, I have pledged to have a constructive debate and improve communication with all member organizations for the greater benefit of the community. I have pledged to meet leaders of the regional federations regularly to discuss and further the shared visions and objectives of the community. I have pledged to engage with independent community organizations and charities in our quest to serve humanity. I have pledged to organize a presidential roundtable gathering of past leaders, scholars, academics, visionaries, youth, and community well-wishers to discuss the way forward. My dear brothers and sisters, poverty is a venom that directly affects health and education. But it is an embarrassment for what is known to be the richest community per capita in the world. A community that carries in its bosom significant number of industrialists, entrepreneurs, academics, professionals, and common traders can surely have a major impact in trying to eradicate poverty in the community. If elected, I will encourage the business community to get involved in devising an action plan to mobilize people at grassroots level to build self-reliance and stand in solidarity with them for their success. I will persuade every fortunate and able family to sponsor one poor family over a period to elevate their burden of health and education by way of simple sponsorship and premiums of insurance policies. Time does not permit me to talk about the other main themes in my manifesto. I have a plan for the seniors, the youth, and women, for which I urge you to go through my manifesto on hassannaqvi.com. I will be delighted to hear from you for any suggestions and comments. Brothers and sisters, there has never been a more critical and urgent need to work together. Collective participation and active involvement by all members is critical for positive development, advancement, and evolution of our community. Together we are strong. Together we are powerful. Together we can make a difference. Together we will see the difference. Together let's make the difference. Assalamu alayka ya Aba Abdullah wa ala al-arwah allati hallat bifinaik. عليك مني سلام الله أبدا ما بقيت وبقي الليل والنهار ولا جعله الله آخر لحد مني لزيارتكم. السلام على الحسين وعلى علي بن الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين ورحمة الله وبركاته. أحسنت.